Okay, I'm Lynn Godley. I am a light artist, multimedia light artist. I have a studio where I create artwork that uses light in some way with the intention of creating an experience that will calm or engage in some way that is beneficial to well-being. I also am a teacher, professor at Thomas Jefferson University, where I teach industrial design with a focus on lighting, as well as being involved in research on the effects of light on health. I've been an artist since I was a kid. I mean, I've been painting since I was 7 years old. Did that all the way through college, and then got out and wanted to do something that had more of a interaction with the user than I felt that my art would at that point. And so I started a company designing furniture and lighting. And did that for about 20 years and then went back to art again with the feeling that art does something to us and that interaction with the user could be found in art. I took lighting with me when I went back to art. So everything I do has lighting embedded in it, projected on it, or somehow there's LEDs or projection mapping or fiber optics or something where the light is really kind of merging with the physical. I think that what I'm most excited about or proud of is the work that we're doing with the Jefferson Center of Immersive Arts for Health, where we're really trying to do the research to determine or measure what dynamic or interactive immersive experiences using light can do for us, right? And how we might use that in a way that could help in well-being, and whether it's lowering stress from somebody who's sitting in a waiting room or in oncology, or a family in a family court house. Those places where stress is high, the environment is dreadful, and how do we help relieve some of that? And I really believe that dynamic lighting can play a part in that. I have a background in teaching industrial design. Sustainability is huge. So we can't really talk about designing anything without being aware of the impact of it, both in terms of the environment and the user. So it's not just about carbon footprint, it's also about people who are using it, people who are maintaining it, people who are manufacturing it. Okay, what would I like to see in the future that is not, I wouldn't say it's not yet possible. I think we just haven't really gone after it yet. We have a lot of research around the 24-hour circadian cycle and the effect that light has, dynamic light has, or daylight has on us based on that 24-hour cycle. The body has enormous amount of rhythms that are shorter than 24-hour cycle. And what we would like to look at is how can we use dynamic lighting for those rhythms, right? That magic symphony of light that we've been with for 200,000 years before we moved indoors, that we become so enchanted by. It's like, is that really doing something to help reset us, okay? And those are the things that I would love to see happen over the next 10 to 20 years as far as research is. Let's look at different rhythms and look at that magical symphony of light and see how we might be able to use that to benefit the users as well.